Good morning from our campsite. We're just waking up from our new teardrop camper, and we are at Neuseway Nature Park. There aren't very many campers here because it is December 1st, but this is a beautiful little campground and quite a few spaces, but it is December 1st. We decided to set up our camp here away from everybody else. That way we could have more privacy. One great thing about this campground is that it is beside the Neuse River. Plenty of opportunities for fishing, kayaking, canoeing, and so on.